In this video, I'm going to give you an in-depth review of Easy1Up.com. Okay, welcome to my channel, guys. If you are not already subscribed, and if you are not, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I'm coming out with daily content teaching you how to create a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment on the online space. Okay, so this channel is all about making money online, make passive income, multiple streams of income, teaching you the latest and greatest strategies, as well as giving you the latest product reviews out there on the market, whether it's a scam, whether it's real, whether it's worth your time, or whether it's not. Okay, so in this video, it's going to be all about Easy1Up. I'm pretty sure you've heard of it. If you have not heard of it, stay tuned to the end because they also have a free traffic bonus. If you sign up under me in Easy1Up, I'll pay for your first 100 clicks. Okay, so I get to that at the end, but you have to say at the end of this video. All right. So Easy1Up, what is it all about? Easy1Up, in a nutshell, is basically another online marketing course. It's another course or platform that teaches you online marketing, how to establish yourself online, how to establish a brand online, whether you're just solely online or if you have a brick and mortar traditional business. You need an online presence. And Easy1Up is one of those products that has a really good course that teaches you in depth and step by step what you can do or what you need to do to be successful and have a sustainable business on the internet. Okay, so Easy1Up, Easy1Up.com, it has multiple products, right? They have Elevation, Elevation Elite, Vertex, Vertex Elite, Vertex Pro, and Vertex Live. So that's 6 products within Easy1Up that you can be a part of. It depends on your finances or whatnot. So it goes from someone who does not have a very big budget or a lot of money to spend right now on training to set up an online business, and then you have those who have a lot in their budget who's willing to, at the $2,000 level. And the Vertex Live is saying, hey, I'm committed to the process. I'm ready to hit the ground running, and I want to get the most out of this training and get the most return out of my business. Okay. So Elevation is the lowest one at $25. It gives you the network marketing basics. It teaches you how to create an online network, why choose online network marketing, how to generate leads, how to create a lead capture page, how to offer bonuses. So the Elevation is really beginner friendly. So I advise, if you are a beginner, if you don't have a lot of experience online with internet marketing or creating your business online, go with the Elevation level product with $25. Get your feet wet, right? And then after you do that, then you can upgrade later. However, I will tell you that if you do not go ahead and position yourself, if you know that you're a beginner, but at some point you see something in Elevation Elite, for example, that you want to start learning, like Udimi or YouTube clickable links or YouTube as a social network. If you know you want to get into some of the things that these other products offer, go ahead and purchase those, because what will happen is if you come in at Elevation $25, it's not like that $25 already applies or can be applied to an upgrade. No, if you buy a $25 Elevation and decide, oh, I want to go to Vertex next, you have to also pay the $250. Okay, so it's good to go ahead and get the product that you know you're going to need at the front, right off the start, because you don't want to pay $250 plus another $100 plus $25. You don't want to do that. Then you're basically wasting money away, right? And then as each level goes up, like for Vertex, for example, with the Vertex product, you get Vertex plus everything under Vertex. So you get the Elevation Elite and the Elevation, right? And then so forth and so on. So each one has a lot of pros to it, a lot of content, a lot of golden nuggets to teach you how to set yourself up for success. Vertex Elite, it includes money counts, live business building course part 1. So it's a lot of it's basically a case study that you can go through and see someone over the shoulder how they're building their business. Drop shipping, zero cost traffic. Traffic is key. So you want to pick a product that really talks about traffic, like this one here, the Vertex Pro. It's the one I came in at, which I suggest you do the same thing, because it talks a lot about traffic exchanges, zero cost traffic, LinkedIn, Instagram marketing, Facebook remarketing, Facebook ads made easy, email marketing biz. So a lot of traffic and a lot of stuff that you can learn in this level here that you'll be okay. You don't even have to go to the $2,000 level unless you want to. You can. That's fine. You get everything you need for sure at the Vertex Live level. But I would, if you go to at the 1,000 level, I think that's a very good solid product for you. If not that, the Elite Vertex Elite level. Okay. So I just want to show you the back office of Easy1Up. I'm still fairly new, so I have not been promoting it too heavily. As far as been paying paid traffic. Right now I'm trying to do organic traffic, which takes longer to get a hold on or get a grasp or take off in a business when you use organic traffic, SEO. But even with that, I already have 2 unpaid members, right? So they're unpaid for me right now, but if I continue email marketing them, I can, tell them the benefits of the program, you can sign up for sure. And they might sign up later and I'll get that commission, right? So I really haven't talked about the commission part about it, but so right now, that's just a brief overview of what is included with Easy1Up. Basically, why I get Easy1Up. What does it do for me, right? It's not just a email MLM marketing deal. No, it's an actual legit course that teaches you real content and gives you real value. Okay. Now, how can you make money with Easy1Up? So Easy1Up, you can promote this product to people who are looking for courses to teach them how to, build a brand online, right? And when you promote this and they sign up, then you get a commission for that. Okay. But you get a commission based off what level they come in. Now, remember when I said you need to position yourself right? Because when you purchase one product and you upgrade later, you just have to pay that full price, right? Same thing goes for the affiliate compensation plan. You only get commission if you're at that level or below. So let's say you come in at elevation, and I'm at the Vertex Pro level, I get a commission from you coming in right under my link. But let's say you go to the Vertex Live, the $2,000 product version, I don't get a commission off that because I'm not at that level. You understand what I'm saying? So make sure, when you come in the program, yes, you want to get the right product for what you need, but you also want to make sure you're positioning yourself to make the most money for when you promote your product to other people. All right. So Easy1Up is a great program. I suggest that you go ahead and get started today. And if you're still here at this video, thanks for being a trooper. You are going to hear my bonus. So in full detail. So if you use my link in the description, it'll be the first link below, as well as the first link in the comment section on getting signed up with Easy1Up. If you use my link and you come in at the Vertex Elite level, let me make sure I got it right. Vertex, yes. And come at the Vertex Elite level or higher, Vertex Elite to Vertex Pro. If you come in under my link, I will pay for your first 100 clicks. Okay. I'm not BSing you. I'm telling you straight up. I will pay for your first 100 links. I use Udimi as my traffic source. Here it is. Nope. Here. So, I just purchased a solo ad. I use Udimi as my traffic source. So if you sign up under me, I will pay for your first 100 clicks. Okay. So if you do that, let me know in the comments. Say, yes, I've used your link. I'm ready to go and get started. And I've signed up at the Vertex Elite, Elevation, or Vertex Pro level. Let me know in the comments, and then I will respond back to you to get more information so that I can get your link to my source on Udimi and pay for that and send traffic to your link instantly. Okay. So make sure you go ahead and do that, guys. Don't pass by this opportunity. Okay. Also, I have a free ebook. Well, not free ebook. It's a free book. In the link in my description, it's called .com Secrets. It is a free book that will teach you, if you don't want to, invest any money right now, if you still want to learn how to set yourself up online, get that free book called .com Secrets. That'll be in the link in the description. Also, it's free. All you have to do is put your name, email address in, and where to ship the book to, and you're done. So make sure you get that too if you want to, learn more about online businesses, how to set it up, how to be successful and sustainable. So that's a very good resource. And like I said, it's free. All right, guys. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget, subscribe and like this video and comment below. All right. Don't subscribe. Sorry, I'm weird. But thanks for watching this video, guys. All right. Peace.